So our organisation is a steel service centre. It's a very traditional business. It was started in 1968 by the Ashwell family. Has been built up by accumulating and building sites. We provide steel into the automotive and construction sectors mainly, but we started in automotive and we supply every automotive manufacturer in the UK.
So as a leading solutions integrator, Insight's key strength is the ability to bring together technology from multiple sources together with our in-house solutions and also our teammates' capability to help organisations such as Gonvarri digitally transform away from perhaps their core business into the business that they need to be tomorrow.
We've been working really hard over the last kind of 6 weeks working with Gonvarri, looking at how we can really make a true impact out of this hackathon event. We have been ultimately working closely with the end users, ensuring that they really understand how they're going to do this, and across the next 3 days they're now kind of building their PowerApps and PowerBI dashboards.
The whole process of learning by doing with these tools is inspirational. What we've found is we could have come and had a lecture from Insight about these are the new tools that are available. We could have used them, looked at them, and we'd have gone home and thought, yeah, they were great, but I wasn't paying that much attention. This way, we're involved in the detail. We're seeing how they actually physically can be used.
Now we split our team a little bit into, let's say, coding, into designing the app, and also everything which is behind, like SharePoint lists.
We are able to collaborate. We are here to develop together a forklift truck checklist. This will be a productive app at the end of the day. And I'm happy to learn a little bit more about coding, about PowerApps, PowerAutomate.
So they are focusing on actually learning and using what they're being taught and creating new content that's going to really help drive certain business outcomes they're trying to achieve and overcome certain business challenges that they've currently got.
Well, it comes from the word hacker marathon, which it isn't. There is no hackers involved. And what the employees are trying to do is develop solutions to problems using PowerApps, Office 365 PowerApps. And that development has been guided by selecting some areas of the business that we think could either improve from efficiency, reporting, communication, and they're working together in collaborative teams. They're pulled from all areas of the world, so we have people from China, Brazil, North America, lots of our European colleagues. So it's a collaboration of all the sites within Gonvarri.
This is what we need as a business to help us drive our work forward, better communication with everybody on the shop floor between them and management. Yeah, it gets them more involved with everything, i.e. health and safety. Easy to order workwear, boots, that kind of thing, and it gives them an instant response. So we can either accept it, reject it, and they get an instant response back.
We're a low value added business, so cost efficiency is key for us. So what we need to do is pick key projects, key developments with regards to digitalisation, which we can improve our customer experience, reduce our costs or improve efficiency. But the real question is the focus on which ones will make the best return for our investment. So next for us is to sit down, have a strategy talk about what we think that development could be, small steps, but which will build confidence in the insight and also the development of digital solutions for our business.
So here we are at day 3 of the hackathon. We are currently just finalising the finishing touches on their apps and their dashboards. They're also creating their adoption and change management plans and how they're going to roll this out across the organisation, and importantly what kind of business value this is going to bring to the organisation.
We're enthused, we're hungry for digital transformation, but we've got to remember that the people who work for us are an aged workforce. Our average age is 44. Those people are not into digital innovation, so we need to prove concepts to them so they can see the realisation of where we're trying to get to build confidence. So really we need to have a marriage where we understand each other's cultures to work out the best way of starting a project together. you.